Hello. You told me that you've got a red page telling you that the website is not secure. I'm gonna show you that you must have a problem with your Google Chrome. You must update it, I think, or on your computer. So here, as you can see, I am using an HTTPS domain, which means the website is 100% safe and secure. When I enter on my browser, I get no red pages of whatsoever. So it is 100% safe to use my website. I think you need to update your Google Chrome. Let me see how. Maybe you go to you go here about Google Chrome, and you can make sure that your Chrome is updated and you don't have any issues. So make sure you update your Google Chrome. Have a great day.